Hello all. This is the second part of lesson plan. So here we have firstly learnt about this part in the first lesson plan. Then here comes the second. You have to divide your page like this in two parts. Don't forget to have a margin. It is very much important. The first topic, the first heading you put is general aims. Now, this is general aims, the aims which are general in nature according to the subject. Okay, these are the aims which we are about to achieve from this lesson plan. So, each method has its own general aims and it differs according to the subject. So first we have to put at least 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 general aims we have to mention in our lesson plan. So here I have mentioned first to generate interest of students towards commerce. So this particular lesson aims to develop and generate interest of students towards commerce. Second, to develop the abilities to integrate the business with social systems. So, this particular aim speaks about the abilities which will be integrated in the child after this lesson plan. Once it is taught to the children, the abilities of the business and its social system will be developed and integrated in the child's mind. Third, to enable the student to solve the commercial problems. Now, when we are talking about commerce, that is my subject, there are various commercial problems which are faced. So, the students will learn how to solve the commercial problems. Fourth, to make the child familiarized with the latest information of commerce. So whatever the latest information of commerce is available, the child will be familiarized with it. Then lastly, fifth, to develop thinking and reasoning power in the child. The reasoning and thinking power in the child's mind will be developed through this lesson plan. So this is pretty much. In the next lesson plan, we will discuss about the next part. Okay, thank you.